Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set ringtone in your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, in your phone, open settings. Go to the settings. Then go to connections. Go to sounds and vibration. Not connections, go to sounds and vibration. Here just click on ringtone. So here you can choose ringtone for SIM1 as well as SIM2. Okay, by default SIM1 is selected and these are all the available ringtones, that is system tones. Okay, suppose if you would like to set any custom tone, any song as a ringtone, just click on this plus symbol and you can add any songs. Okay, so if you have any songs in your local album, that will be showing here. Unfortunately, I have no one as of now. Suppose if you download any song from internet, that will be available here and just you can choose anyone. Okay, yes. So in this way also you can change custom ringtone. Okay, that is you can set any custom ringtone. Okay, finally I selected this one. After that, this will be set as the ringtone for SIM1. Okay, in a similar way you can set ringtone from the list here provided for SIM2 as well, or you can choose custom ringtone if you have any music file or list of music files here. Okay, and just I go back. So what you select here, that will be set as the ringtone. Okay, yes, see, go back and see the changes. So what I have selected, that are showing here for SIM1 as well as for SIM2. Okay, so in this way you can easily change ringtone or set ringtone for your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G for SIM1 and SIM2. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.